One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to customer satisfaction. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.